Preparing your home for sale can feel overwhelming, especially when you're also planning a relocation, whether across town or out of state. The good news is, with the right plan, this process can be smooth, intentional, and far less stressful than most homeowners expect. Today, I'm sharing a practical, step-by-step approach to help you prepare your home for a confident and profitable sale, so you can move toward your next chapter with clarity and peace of mind. Before making any changes, please walk through your home through your future buyer's eyes. Identify what feels dated, cluttered, or in need of simple updates. And no, this doesn't mean major renovations. Often, small adjustments, lighting, paint, updated hardware can make the biggest impact. When relocating, your goal is to maximize value without taking on projects that might delay your move. Pack away personal items and non-essentials. This becomes the first step in your transition. A neutral, polished space appeals to a wide range of buyers and photographs beautifully. Soft paint tones, warm lighting, fresh linens, and minimal decor create a calm, elevated atmosphere. This isn't about hiding anything. It's about presenting your home in its best light, especially for out-of-state buyers who may see it only online. Next, turn your attention to minor repairs. Tighten handles, replace bulbs, touch up paint, and confirm doors, windows, and faucets operate smoothly. These simple fixes increases buyers' confidence. Then enhance your curb appeal. Trim landscaping, refresh mulch, pressure wash walkways, and add welcoming touches like flowers or shrubs near the entry. A polished exterior invites buyers in before they even step inside. Your home's first showing is almost always online. Clean, well-lit rooms and professional photos make an enormous difference. As you prepare to sell, begin organizing your relocation timeline. Sort essential documents. Set aside items needed during your move and pack what can go early. This sets you up for a smooth handoff once your home goes under contract. Hi, I'm Bazzelle, Transition Agent Realtor. We help homeowners prepare, simplify, and move into their next chapter with confidence and clarity. If you're preparing for a transition, we've created a complimentary relocation guide to help you plan each step with ease. You can download it using the link below. Preparing your home for sale doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With a clear plan, thoughtful updates, and the right strategy, you can present your home beautifully and set yourself up for a smooth and profitable sale. If you're ready for your next chapter, I hope you'll find this series incredibly helpful. And we're here to help guide you every step of the way.